Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to add a contact to your favorites list on your iPhone. Adding a contact on your favorite list allows you to easily and quickly connect with your friends and family. No more searching through the contact list or recent list, as you can add a shortcut to them in the favorite list. So to add a contact to the favorite list, tap on the phone app on your iPhone. Now tap on contacts and find the contact you want to add to the favorite list. Then scroll down and tap on Add to Favorites. Here you'll get three options. You can add a video shortcut, call shortcut, or a message shortcut for that contact. Now if you have another messaging app installed like WhatsApp, it will even let you choose a WhatsApp call or a FaceTime audio call. Same for video and messaging options. FaceTime video or WhatsApp video, or iMessage or WhatsApp messages. Choose an option and it will then be set into the favorite. Now tap on the favorite tab at the bottom to view your recently added shortcut. You can add same contacts with different favorite option like calls, messages, and video. And that is how to add a contact to your favorite list on your iPhone. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If this was helpful to you, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.